Action.
Oh, look at that.
What is it?
So this is a bloodwood, a red bloodwood. We're inside this little polygon here. This is a case study of how the Forestry Corporation of New South Wales encroaches on native forest and zones it as plantation. This is a recently zoned area of native forest that forestry is calling plantation. I also use the historical records to look at the canopy. So down over here you can see the canopy is a lot smaller, particularly over here. But within this area you can see through the irregularities that this is a natural forest canopy, and surprise, surprise, here is an old growth tree. So the process that I go through now is I find the highest point on the tree, is about here. I go up 30 centimetres because that's the logging height, and I take what's called a circumference at stump height over bark. Going round.
Wow.
I'm coming back. And this is around 4.5 metres. Then I put my hat down, which has got my GPS receiver that speaks to the satellites, that is Bluetoothed to both my iPads. I take the first iPad, which has the 80s photography. I get it oriented, get the location and to north. And I now take what I call a record of trees. So I go on to Avenza, as it's called, on my iPad. Now I'm using the most recent and most clear photography. This one is from the 9th of the 4th, 24. I do a similar process of lining it up. 40.0, 23.3. Now I take a photograph, making sure I can see the circumference, that the light of my GPS receiver is on, and that the coordinates are also in the photograph. I check the photograph for coordinates and for measurement, and then I go back to Avenza and I go plot photo. I find the most recent photo plotted.
Beautiful.
And viewers, this is how you actually save forest.
Cut.